What is up, guys? So today is Sunday, but not only is it Sunday, it's Easter.
Up from the grave he arose.
So we just got back we're driving to my grandma's house and his mom's house for Easter. Just finished church, and guys, it is so beautiful out today. It's so warm. It's awesome.
And to get some neosporin.
See, look, 50 degrees, guys. It's awesome. Okay, that's warm for how cold it's been, but it's awesome, and I'm excited that it's Easter. Get to spend it with the relatives. So let's get started with the day. All right, so we just got here, and it is really bright out. So I'm gonna turn this way. But we just got here, and
Got it.
okay, I was just about to tell you guys that we couldn't get in and couldn't figure out the code and stuff. But as soon as I was gonna tell you that, he figured it out. So we're here.
Got him.
And we're in. So let's get some stuff out. Brought the quadcopter today because they have a huge field. All that. It's huge. So we'll be flying with that, and brought some of this stuff. Making our first trip. We're inside. This is their house. They're about to move though.
We're 325.
Oh yeah, there's the boxes, as you can see. And so we got inside and they left us a note, so there we go. Let's read it.
Leave the 2 baked potatoes in the oven. Corn in the freezer. Peace.
Oh, after he's done reading, I've got to tell you guys about his accident, if you could see it on his eye. Dad, are you finished reading?
Cover with
Alright, well anyways,
corn.
he had a rollerblading accident
Some
on his
low.
eye, and we were rollerblading yesterday, and as you can tell, he hit his eye.
Corn and turn on low.
They left their phone here. So we've been here for about, how long have we been here, guys?
Like an hour.
An hour.
Yeah.
So about an hour, and we're going on a nature walk while the quadcopter camera charges, because I completely forgot to charge it, and it was on the whole time. So there's Ronan, and there's Kenna.
Hola.
Those are my cousins. And we are going on a nature walk, like I said.
We're not really.
What?
We're not really Spanish. Kenna just likes to do that. I know.
And yeah, guys, don't get dirty or I'm in trouble. So this is pretty beautiful land.
Yes.
And we're just gonna take you guys along.
My grandma. I accidentally stepped in a hole.
Oh yeah. So guys, what I'll try to do,
There might be bad guys with guns or someone with a sword. I mean, no, a knife.
yeah.
So we gotta look out for strangers.
All right,
If
so
we see a stranger, run back to the house.
okay. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to film the FPV screen of the quadcopter so that I can show you guys like a really high view. The only problem is the range of the quadcopter is just terrible. It's like 100 meters, which is just awful.
Yeah, the propellers are dirty, so we can't control it really good.
Yeah. So there's a lot of problems, but I'll try to get the best view I can for you guys. But we'll see.
Let's get a long stick so bad guys don't get us. Find a long wraps.
Guys, I can't believe it. I stopped recording right after this happened, but I just got my foot in a ton of mud. again. I always start every clip with so. And we found this place.
Yeah, we found a barn.
We haven't looked inside yet. Run it. Shh. Okay. So that's pretty much all we're gonna show you, because we're not gonna go in there.
And we gotta
Too risky.
now we gotta risk going over by that house.
In this house right here, over here, the brick house, they have a pool indoors. Oh, that's actually the pool. And then that's the house over there. So if you can see the two different ones, that's the pool and that is the house. It's in that building right there. Yeah. This is Grandma's next door neighbor.
It's okay. They'll like us.
They let us swim, remember?
Yeah. No?
So
I was too scared to get off the stairs.
When will they let us swim?
they already did.
I didn't remember.
All right, so let's see if you guys can see, because I'm not going up on this deck.
I don't remember that. When did we do it?
Because if they come, you better get
If you guys can see that.
down.
Yeah.
I never went swimming in there, have I?
Probably not. You were probably really young.
Went in a big circle, guys.
But that is really cool.
Guys, no, now we have to look at that house over there. Now let's go.
Oh, there's Grandma's house. Way
Oh my gosh, I saw a
Through the
person
tree.
in there. I saw somebody.
in the pool room.
No, I saw somebody in their other house.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, guys, let's go.
It's really, really muddy.
Now let's go look at that stranger's house. Let's go. Come on, guys. Okay. So, guys, we're recording. We're vlogging with my cousin and my sister. So, we're gonna be going as close as to a stranger's house as we can.
There's a car. Run it. They're home. Guys, this isn't gonna work. They're home. Yeah. They're home. Give it over here. Or rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Hey, no. Rip it. Guys, rip it. That wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah, it's probably gonna be really shaky, but couldn't really do much.
Far enough away.
We didn't get close. They're home.
Yeah, there were 3 cars.
Next time we'll do it, but we got as close as we could today. So it's home. Next time we're not home. Yeah. We're home.
Steal their goal. Just kidding.
Look at these kids. Already planning out their teeth. So, whatever. Guys, let's take this trail. Remember there was a trail over there?
Guys, we can't see there. Guys,
Mud. Just be light. I'm gonna get killed. So before we left, they were like, so don't get any mud on the kids or yourself. Don't go in. Don't go in any muddy areas. And I tore my shoe because it's so muddy. She's got mud. He's got mud.
yeah, I got mud on my foot today.
So much for that.
I
Oh gosh, guys.
got mud through my shoes. Hey guys, we're gonna be recording this. We're gonna be recording his quadcopter on his camera, his camera of the quadcopter and this camera.
Whoa.
Oh,
I'm just gonna swim
You see us?
No. Yeah, I saw it.
We are leaving, heading home. And guys, that was definitely a rememberable, you know what I'm trying to say? Day.
Last time you'll see it.
Last time you'll see what? Oh yes, last time you will see this house.
Yep.
It's really nice.
Yep.
So say goodbye. There it goes. I mean, we might visit it, right? No? And look at that field. Oh, it's so nice. But yep, they are moving, and yeah, we'll never see that house again. But that was definitely a good day because at first, no one wanted to go outside. And then I'm like, well, we can vlog. And then they were like, oh yeah, let's go outside, let's go outside. So that was fun. Dad, did you like the day?
Yep.
And it's not over. It's 5:41. All right, guys, I think we are going to end the vlog. My dad is editing another video for church. So that's going pretty well. And I'm going to record my voice for it. And I already did my section. So we are wrapping up the day because tomorrow, first day back of school. Not looking forward to it, but it's the last 9 weeks. So we're gonna push hard, get good grades. And then this summer, we are going to have so much fun. And I'm gonna bring you guys along on a lot of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon.